everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video with somebody cutting the grass outside opposite the street. But anyways, today we are going to be building a little spaceship, a cute little spaceship that I collected at some sort of building event. Something to do with Mars missions or something like that. But anyway, I'll show you how to make it and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, as the usual, so feel free to pause at any time of the video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start off with a 2x4 standard base plate in black. Yes, back into the build again. And at the front we're going to attach these inverted slope pieces, and that's going to be the front of our spaceship. Do I need to stick it here? Yes, I do. Now, getting another base plate, a 2x2 in black, we're going to stick that behind that. And what else do we need? Okay, we'll need an inverted side attachment plate in light grey at the back. And at the back there, we're going to attach this special round sort of top piece. I don't know, some sort of grey piece that's going to act as a thruster. Now, we're going to need this 6x3 double black wedge piece. I'm going so slow. We're going to be using this piece for the wings, so we just stick that back there, and another one of those 2x2 base plates in here. Now, that's the main frame for our little spaceship. Now, we're going to need a 1x4 base plate in orange over here, and 2 of these orange wedge pieces as well. We're going to stick them, and this is going to be an orange stripe to add some color to this. Now, we will need some more black pieces. These ones, small little handle pieces done in black. I'm going to stick one on one side and one on the other. And on those handles, we're going to attach some clips. These little white clip elements, I'm going to stick them sort of vertically on the sides here. And I believe these are going to be like adjustable wings and stuff like that. So now this is a nice, easy, simple build. Another 1x2 base plate in white. We're going to stick that over here. And yeah, some curved sloping pieces on top like this. This is a nice, small little build. And this translucent sloping piece, that's going to be the cockpit at the front. I'm going to stick it there. It's going to give it a nice sort of pointy design at the front like so. Now, what else do we need? Okay, we'll need these dark grey clips. These dark grey clip elements. I'm going to stick one over here and another one over there like that. What we're going to do is attach these grey ice cream cone pieces. And we're going to stick the bar elements into the clips. And these are going to be our extra thrusters. And all we need now is one last piece. This little tail fin in white. Just stick it at the back here, and there we go. It's finished. So there we go. Our little spaceship is done. It's finished, and it's complete, and it's ready to fire off into space, or something like that. A nice pointy design. Speaking of Mars, what can we say about Mars? Martians. This is just a nice little spaceship. Don't really have much to cover. So this is going to be a nice short video. I'm going to end off here. So, I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And until next time, happy Mars missions!